Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start 2.6 exercise. In this exercise, again the square root related questions. ऐसे numbers का square root जिनका perfect square नहीं मिलता, जिनका जो perfect square root आपके पास exact square root नहीं है. For example, square root of 2. So that in the question he is saying that find the square root of the following up to 3 decimal places. As it has not a exact square root, so उसने बता दिया कि 3 decimal places तक हमने इसको find करना है. So 2 is here. He is saying that 3 decimal places. So after this point, we must have 3 pairs. अगर pairs नहीं है तो we have to bring this 0 here. So pair करके ये 1 आ गया. 1 point is here. 0 make it double by 4 96 4 0 0. So make it double by 1 9 1 1 and these 2 zeros. Make it double again by 4 4 is a 16 1 carry 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 4 8s 32 3 carry 4 2s are 8 and 3 11. So 4 0 and here we have 6. So whatever the value we have here, that is the remainder, and it goes on. There is no exact value. So square root of 2 is 1.414. So after point we have 3 decimal places. So he is asking the question कि 3 decimal places हो तो point के बाद 3 pairs हमारे पास होने चाहिए. उसको simplify किया. At the end we must have 3 places, 3 digits after decimal. I try to solve 1 or 2 more questions from this. Square root of 5. This one is part 3. Again 3 decimal places हैं. So 5.00 one pair, second pair, and this one is third pair. This is the one. So by 2 4 1, this point is here, 2 zeros, make it double by again 2 4 8, so 6 1. Bring the complete pair down. So 44 by 3, 4 से 16 से बढ़ जाएगा. 3 9 4 and 3 12 1 1 9 minus 2 7 5 minus 3 2, this 2 zeros. So we have 4 4 6 by 6. If we try 6 6 is a 36, 3 carry 6 6 36 and 3 39, 3 carry 6 4s are 24 and 3 27, 2 carry 6 4s are 24 and 2 26. 403, and again it goes on because ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, इसका स्क्वायर रूट इसका एग्जैक्ट निकलता भी नहीं है, तो ये आगे चल रहा है। हमारे पास जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज 2.236। ये है मेथड फाइंड करने का। एग्जैक्ट स्क्वायर रूट अगर ना हो तो कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, मैं इसका एक और आपको पार्ट करके दे देता हूँ। लास्ट पार्ट इसका मैं कर देता हूँ। सिक्स पार्ट है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 15। अगेन 15 is there, so point के बाद after point we must have three pairs, 1 2 and 3. So there are three pairs here. This is another pair before point. So by 3 9 6 point is here 0 0 6. So take it 8 8 is 64, 6 carry, 8 6 are 48 and 6 54, 6 5. This complete pair. So make this one double. So we have 74. Again by 7. 7 7 is 49. 4 carry. 7 4s are 28 and 4 32. 3 carry. 7 7 49 and 3 52. 1 7 3. 2 zeros. So make this one is double. So we have 7 5 4. So we try it by 2. 7 5 4 by 2. 4 8 10 1 15. No, but not 2. So it is 7 7 49. 2 4 carry. 7 4 are 3. 7 7 is 49 and 3 52. So 1 7 5 minus 2 3. So it is by 5 4 we try. 8 16 1 20 and 1 2 30. So it is 4 by 4. 4 4 is 16 1 carry. 16 and 1 17. 1 carry. 20. 2 carry. 'So whatever the value we have here, that is not the issue. We have 3.874. Whatever the value is here, you may check it yourself. If there is any issue, you may check. Now come to the question number 2. The same question. He is saying that find the square root of the following up to 2 decimal places. So we have to find up to 2 decimal places. Question number 2, part 1. He is saying that 3.6. Same question is there, but in the question number 1 he was asking about the 3 decimal places, Now there are 2 decimal places. So method is same, 3.6. As he is saying 2 decimal places, so after point we must have 2 places. So for one pair and second pair. So 1, 1, 1 by 2, point is here, shift point here, 6, 0 by 2. So here we have 2, 8. 8 8s are 64, 6 carry, 8 2s are 16 and 6, 22, 6, 3, bring the other digit, so 36 by 9, 9 is 81, 8 carry, 9 6 are 54 and 8, 62, 6 carry, 9 3s are 27 and 6, 33. So 9, 7, 2. So whatever the remainder is, we have no concern with that. 1.89. So after point we have 2 decimal places. So this is the method to find the square root up to 2 decimal places. I solve another question here. Try to solve. That is fifth part, 86,816.081. So in this 816.081. So these are the pairs, and after point this is one pair and this is second pair. So it is, here we have 8, so by 2, 4, 4, 1, 6. So it is 4 by 8. 8 8 is a 64, 6 carry, 8 4 are 32 and 6 38, 2 and 3. Point is here, we put point 0, 8. So we have 56 by 5. 5 5 is a 25, 2 carry. 5 6 are 30, is 30 and 2 32, 3 carry, 25 and 3 28 by 3 8 3 and this 1 0. Make it double, so 5 7 0. Now we try to do with the 6, 36, 42, 4 carry, 30 and 4, 34. So 4 by 7, 0, 4. Whatever the remainder. So we have 28.56. So this is the method to find the square root up to 2 decimal places. Again listen, here we need 2 decimal places, so after point we must have 2 pairs. In the question number 1, he was asking about the 3 decimal places, so after point we must have 3 pairs, at least 3 pairs. Okay, so taking the square root is the same method, but again method, that is not the issue. उसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपने ये करना है कि आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि पॉइंट के बाद कितने पेयर्स आपको चाहिए और यहाँ पर कितने डिजिट्स आने चाहिए. एटलीस्ट अगर उसने 2 डिजिट्स लगाया तो यहाँ पे कम से कम 2 डिजिट होने चाहिए. तो वो आपके पास इसका आंसर आ गया 28.56. So this is the method to find square root up to 2 decimal places and up to 3 decimal places. Thank you very much.